Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete a photo album on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Photos. In the Photos app at the bottom here, tap on Albums. Then we go down the list here and select an album that you want to delete. So from the album's home page, you can touch and hold on the album, and from the pop-up menu, tap on Delete Album, and then tap on Delete Album to confirm the deletion. Now you can also go inside the album and then tap on the Option key at the top, and then tap on Delete Album, and then tap on Delete Album again, and that will allow you to delete the albums in Photos. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.